Nixies, welcome back to my channel. So now as you can see, to make this tall dress, what I'm gonna do is that I'll take my aluminium foil and I'll wrap it around the doll's body.
I do this every season. I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing.
Now I'll cut the rest of the part and then I'll just wrap it around again. So this will give a proper base to the doll dress. So once it's completely wrapped around, as you can see, this is how the shape looks right now. Now what I'll do is that I'll take a clear tape and I'll stick it over here as well. Alright, so once it's done, now let's start making the dress. So as you can see, I've taken this fabric bag over here. It's very easily available these days. And now what you will do is that I'll just take my scissors and I'll cut this part out. And then I'll cut this stripe too. Now I'll just use my cutter that does fit in here and I'll just tap it around and cover this.
Help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never.
Now I'll put some more glitter on top of it. Once I just dust out all the other excess glitter dust, this is how it will look. Now I'll just take a zigzag hole. Now I'll stick it over here and here. Now this is another piece of same fabric bag and covered with glitter dust. I'll stick it over here and make this tiny mini skirt. Once it's done, I'll take another piece of the same again fabric bag covered with glitter dust and I'll cut it over here.
I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow me down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
So now I'll stick it on the skirt. Once that is done, again I'll take another part and my scissors and I'll cut it.
I'm always self-destructive. I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always.
Now I'll just stick it over here. Then I'll take another big piece of the bag and what I'll do is that again I'll take my scissors and cut it the shape.
Please help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down.
So guys, now I get these two shapes equally. Now what I'll do is that I'll just put it on top of each other and I'll take my scissors. I'll just cut this part out as well just so I get these equal pieces. So now this is how it looks right now. Now again I'll do the same thing, cover it with glitter dust. And then sprinkle some glitter dust on top of it. So I get this kind of glittery fabric now. You can put more glitter dust if you want. Now I'll just put some black paint over here just to give some highlights and details. And some white over here. Now I'll just make this ruffle over here on this Cardpaper fabric, and I'll stick it on one side at the back, then the other one on the other side. Now I'll take my scissors and I'll cut it out over here. Once I cut it from the back side, I'll just slightly take off the doll. Now once I get this shape of the dress, I'll put this sticking tape. And then I'll just put it on the other side as well, just so the doll dress can easily come out, and just you can do it anytime you want, and then just take the tape again. So it's that sticky tape we use on fabric, and I made the boots here as well, just the same color. Now let's take the piece of bag again, and I'll take my scissors too and then cut it out. So once these two sleeves for these two hands are ready, I'll just take my scissors and cut it out from this side, just give them slight little cuts. Now I'll let her wear it. Okay, so once that is done, I'll just put the wig I made for my doll on top of her, then some golden jewelries made out of golden cut paper. And then as you can see, my doll is finally ready, guys. This is the final video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
Help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. season. I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing.